Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the second episode of our series, Food Groups for a Healthier Brain, Fatty Fish, Brain Food for Kids. Specifically, we'll explore why fatty fish like salmon, sardines and mackerel are some of the best foods to help kids develop sharp minds, stronger memory and better learning skills. At the heart of this story are nutrients called omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA. These aren't just any nutrients, they're like the building blocks and protectors of the brain. The human brain is nearly 60% fat, and much of that fat is made up of DHA, a type of omega-3. Think of DHA as the structural glue that keeps brain cells strong and flexible. Without enough of it, brain cells can't communicate efficiently. EPA, another omega-3, works like the brain's bodyguard. It reduces inflammation, improves blood flow, and supports overall brain health. Together, DHA and EPA are essential for memory, learning, and focus. For children, whose brains are growing and wiring connections every single day, omega-3s are especially crucial. So, what happens when kids get enough omega-3s from fatty fish? 1. Sharper memory. DHA supports how brain cells talk to each other, making it easier for kids to store and recall information. That means remembering lessons, stories, and instructions. 2. Improved learning. A brain rich in omega-3s processes information faster. Kids can understand concepts more clearly and solve problems more efficiently. 3. Better focus. Omega-3s help regulate signals in the brain, so kids can pay attention longer and concentrate better in class. 4. Mood and behavior support. Research shows omega-3s may reduce mood swings and hyperactivity, promoting calmer, more balanced behavior. In fact, several studies link higher omega-3 intake in children with stronger reading, spelling, and vocabulary performance. It's like giving the brain premium fuel. Now, where can kids get these omega-3s? That's where fatty fish comes in. Salmon, a superstar source of DHA. It's versatile, grilled, baked, or mixed into pasta. Sardines, tiny fish with a big punch of nutrients, easy to put on toast, salads, or even pizza. Mackerel, rich in both DHA and EPA with a bold flavor. Great grilled or in fish cakes. Experts recommend at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week for growing children. Even small amounts can make a big difference for brain health. Here's the best part. The benefits of omega-3s aren't just short-term. Kids who eat fatty fish regularly may grow up with stronger cognitive skills, better emotional resilience, and a lower risk of problems like depression or learning difficulties later in life. In other words, fatty fish doesn't just feed today's homework sessions, it helps build tomorrow's brain power. So let's recap. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, that are essential for brain cell structure, memory, focus, and learning. They also support mood and long-term brain health. Adding just a couple of servings of these fish each week is one of the simplest and most effective ways to nourish children's growing brains. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on food, gut health, and raising brighter minds. Your support helps us reach more parents like you. See you in the next episode.